Welcome students, poem for today, Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Neftali Ricardo Reyes Visalvo, his full name, but he wrote under the pen name of Pablo Neruda as he was fascinated by the social activists. This poem, as you would read, one of the best poems that I have come across because it enters deep in you and helps you understand what sort of materialistic life are we leading today and what sort of a correction and an introspection it requires. Intro and spection. Intro, to look inside. Spection, speculate, to think. To look inside and think. People will say, think of what? That the poet tells you. And as he tells the whole poem, you find that this poem was applicable in the past, is applicable in the present, and will be applicable in the future. Because as human beings, many don't leave their materialistic attitude. So what is this all I am talking about in correlation with this particular title, Keeping Quiet? What is the relationship between keeping quiet, remaining silent, and having that introspection? There is a big relation, and this has been shown by the poet Pablo Neruda. Now, before I tell you keeping quiet, remaining silent, how will this help in introspection? Actually, we have heard in a session of meditation, what do people do? They sit properly at a particular place in a comfortable posture. They close their eyes. They try to remove all the thoughts from their mind, and then they bring certain positive ideas in their mind. That is a meditation session. Similarly, here the poet wants a session of introspection. Look inside and think. It is just like a meditation session. So first of all, the poet will tell you how to enter the session of introspection. Then he will tell you what will be the effect, how would you feel during that session of introspection, and then he starts describing the effects of the session of introspection, and that is the major question which can be asked in the board exams, and plus at the same time a very thought-provoking poem where we understand that yes, what are we running after? Why this material rat race when the end would be something which we haven't expected at all? And then he tells us what to do next. When we understand the effects, he tells us what we have to do next. So the poem begins with the word now, and this word shows that this poem was applicable in all the eras and would be applicable in the future also. So let's begin this poem with every word, just understand the meaning and then understand the depth of this poem. The poem has to be relished a lot because then only it will touch the core of our hearts. So let's begin it. Now we will count up to 12. The poet says, let's first of all go into the session of introspection. How to go? Start counting. Who has to count? Jessica? Now we. Who are these we here? All the people of the earth. Is the poet included? Obviously, that's why he is using the word we. Now we will count up to 12. Counting up to 12. 12 here has the connotation, you can say all 12 zodiac signs. 12 years. Then we can say all the 12 spokes of the clock. That means 12 has many connotations here, but the meaning is just the same. For some time we need to count. That doesn't mean at all that we have to count from 1 to 12. It means that for some time we need to count. So now we will count up to 12. How will counting help to go into the session of introspection? First of all, when we start counting, our whole mind is focused on the counting. And as soon as we stop, then in that case, all other thoughts are removed from our mind and our mind becomes blank. Counting always helps to enter a session of introspection. And remember, introspection is to look inside and think. But first of all, remove the other thoughts. Then only we'll be able to have space for the thoughts to come when the existing thoughts will be removed. So first step, he says, how to enter the session of introspection? Count up to 12. And how will this counting help? This counting will help us to focus our mind and to remove all the other thoughts from our mind. Our mind will become blank. And then he says, here in the next saying, let's all keep still. Still, stop all movements. And as we stop all movements, there are no here he says that just for a second, this has never happened on the earth, let it happen. What? First time on the earth, it will happen when all will stop speaking. Here he says, for once on the first face of the earth, let's stop speaking in any language. For once on the face of the earth, because earlier it has never happened. Let it happen once. Just imagine all the people of the earth together are undergoing a session of introspection. It has never happened earlier. So let it happen once. For once on the face of the earth, let's stop speaking in any language, because language creates barriers. People say language crosses barriers. We are able to understand each other. But when we are able to understand each other, sometimes we understand that the other person's intentions are not good. So in many cases, language creates barriers. So when in this case we stop speaking, there will be no barriers which are there on the basis of language, because language creates discrimination. So stop speaking. So there will be no barriers which are created on the basis of language. Then he says, let's stop for 1 second. That doesn't mean that he wants 1 second. Like we want to do a task, we say just a second. That doesn't mean a second. But he says a very short moment. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Arms here has the two connotations. What are the two connotations here? Arms, hands. And arms also stands for weapons. We say arms and emanations. So here the poetic device is fun. And he says, let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Let's stop moving our hands. Let's stop moving our weapons. In fact, he wants the destructive activities to come to a standstill. And he says that because we stop moving our hands, because we stop moving our weapons, what will happen is all destructive activities will come to a standstill. This is the method to enter the session of introspection. First, counting. How will counting help? It will help us to focus our mind. It will help us to remove all thoughts. Second, keep still. Stop movement so there will be no distractions. Third, stop speaking. So there will be no barriers which are there on the basis of language. And then he says, stop moving arms. That means stop moving your hands, stop moving your weapons. In fact, stop the destructive activities. Then comes the second question. How would you feel? That means your emotions and your feelings during the session of introspection. See the line which is mentioned. It would be an exotic moment. Exotic, alien, which earlier we have never experienced. A fantastic moment. Because just understand, this moment has never earlier been experienced. All the people of the earth never sat in a session of introspection. This moment was never felt. It's a new moment. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. There will be no rush to go anywhere. There will be no sound anywhere. What does this mean? There would be no material development. All material development will come to a standstill. So here he says it would be an exotic moment. It would be a fantastic moment. It would be a moment which was alien, we had never experienced. Without rush, without engines. That means there would be no material development. All material development will come to a standstill. Then he says, we would all feel together in a sudden strangeness. Which feelings comes up now? Which feeling? A feeling of togetherness. Students, how can this feeling come? We are sitting in a session of introspection. How can togetherness come? It can. When all the people of the earth together are doing the same task. They all are doing the same task. They are together. So we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Why this moment has been called sudden? Because it came within what? It came within 1 second. The poet says, let's stop for 1 second. So within a second means few moments. So that's why it has been called sudden. This togetherness has been called sudden. Why? It came suddenly. And at the same time, why is this moment called strange? Strange because earlier we had never experienced it. We are experiencing it for the first time. So this is the method to enter the session of introspection. This is how we will feel during the session of introspection. How would we feel? It would be an exotic moment. There would be no rush, no engines, no hurry to go anywhere, no tension, no stress. We would feel calm and composed. And at the same time, which feeling will come inside us? then comes the most important question, and that is the effects of session of introspection. What are the effects? Let us see one or two effects in this session. The remaining we'll discuss in the next session. Let's see the first effect. The fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. If all the people together are sitting in the session of introspection, fishermen also would be sitting. And as they would be sitting, they would not harm whales. At least for few moments, they would not harm other creatures. And why whales here? Because of human activities, whales are on the verge of extinction. They are endangered species because human activities have caused danger to their lives. So what will happen? The human beings will stop harming other creatures. And the best example of whales shows that because of us, many animals are there on the verge of extinction. And we have to make efforts to save them. So here it is, the effect would be, the fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. And one of the very good lines, the man in the cold sea would see his hurt hands. The man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. He is gathering salt for the whole day. Because of salt, his fingers get numb and they get hurt, and there are bruises on his palms. But he is not able to see them. He has got no time to see how much harm he is causing to himself. So at least students, because of this session of introspection, this man would look at his hurt hands. How much harm am I causing to myself just because I am running after material development? If I talk about the generation now, which is running after money, in that case many of them postpone their medical issues. The reason? They have got no time for themselves. So what will happen when we sit in the session of introspection? We will realize how much harm we are causing to ourselves just after running in that rat race of materialism. So what would be the effect of session of introspection? The first effect would be the fishermen, the human beings would stop harming other creatures. The human beings would understand how much harm they are causing to themselves. The remaining effects we are going to discuss in the next session. But in today's session, we have understood this poem is talking about how to enter a session of introspection, what is the method of entering the session of introspection, how do we feel during a session of introspection, and two of its effects we had done, that the human beings would stop harming creatures and we would understand how much harm we are causing to ourselves. Thank you.